Beckwood expanded our building in early 2026, really just to keep up with the growing demand for our products and our services. Beckwood's always been known in the United States as a premier custom hydraulic press provider, and really we just outgrew our existing space. We needed more space to build larger pieces of complex equipment. We needed to grow our service organization so we could better service our machines in the field as well as other people's machines in the field.
This most recent expansion in 2026 provides an additional 36,000 square foot. So now we have just under 100,000 square foot here. The reason for the recent expansion is solely driven by growth. We need more floor space to send through more equipment to meet the demand of our customers. So not only are we delivering a higher quantity of machines on any given year, but in order to support that, we also need the people.
We needed more engineers, more project managers, more folks on the service side to be able to really continue to keep up with demand and provide our customers with that ultimate experience that they expect when they buy a machine from us or a service from us.
So we have the new office space for additional employees to support this growth. One of those departments is the service department. There's a big initiative here at Beckwood to really dominate service within our industry. We see that as a major need and frankly where a lot of companies fall short. And that's something we really want to excel at here at Beckwood. As we continue to build upon our service department, we've also rolled out our Beckwood Guardian program. This not only takes care of existing Beckwood customers, but now we have the ability and capacity to support any OEM press that's out there. So any operation within multiple different industries, if you have a variety of equipment, Beckwood could be your one-stop shop to support your operations.
We needed warehouse space. We needed additional manufacturing space for press assembly. The machines that we continue to get asked to build from our customers are growing larger, larger, and larger. And that just requires us to continue to invest in the company, to continue to provide our customers with what they're needing and asking and trusting us to build for them.
So some of the equipment that's going to help fill this space with the recent expansion is what we call our fast lane models. While most of the stuff that we do is custom designed and built and tailored to specific customer requirements, over the last few years we really worked to pre-design and pre-engineer a lot of models that fit a wide range of applications, and that is our Ascent and EVO, and then also our TRIFORM product line. So with those being pre-designed, it's a much more expedited lead time, getting your press in 50% of the time of what it would for a custom build.
Even though we just completed and rolled out our new expansion in 2026, we're already looking at what's next. Beckwood is growing at an extraordinary rate. The demand for our products and our people are at an all-time high, and we don't see that stopping anytime soon.